Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys. And if you're trying to find the AC DC converter fuse, guys, they will explain where they're located. You actually have two fuses that should work on Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019, guys. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So you actually have three different fuse boxes in your Ford C-Max. One is under the hood, one is on the passenger side, kind of like behind the glove box, and then you have, guys, one more, okay, that's in the trunk. Okay, that's hidden there. So I'm going to go ahead, open the trunk, okay, and okay, let's see if it's going to open and show you where it's located now. Perfect. Now if you come right here, check this thing out. Okay, over there you have one cover. You pull it out, you have a fuse box here, and in that fuse box, guys, okay, that's where, okay, the fuses will be located for the AC DC converter. So which fuse we need to check now? It's a little bit hard to check the numbers there, so I will share with you where they start. The first fuse, guys, that we need to check is actually fuse number 24. So if you look at the big fuses, the first big one, 30 amp fuse, okay, let me just focus here for you. Okay, this fuse right here, that's the first fuse that we need to check. That's the AC DC power converter fuse. After that, guys, okay, we need to come to the left row right here. Okay, and starting from the very bottom, even though we are missing a fuse, we need to count the fourth fuse, which is fuse number 32. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 5 amp fuse right here needs to be checked as well, guys. That fuse is for the AC DC converter as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find this information. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.